Hello everyone.
So today's MCQ is a 55-year-old postmenopausal woman presents to the OPD for routine BP checkup. Her BP was 170 by 100. She also complains of blood-stained discharge per vaginum. What is the next best step of management? A. Reassurance her that some discharge is normal at this age. B. Immediate pelvic examination, TVS and pap smear. C. Immediate referral to cardiologist to control BP. D. Hysterectomy.
So Purva, now see the option in this case. First is reassurance that this is just a discharge which is normal. No, because any case of postmenopausal blood stained discharge at the age of 55 year is never normal. So always investigate it. So first option is out. Okay. Now third option is immediate referral to a cardiologist to control BP. यहाँ पे डिस्ट्रैक्टर है 170-100 कि जिससे कि आप इसको टिक करें. नो, यहाँ पे द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ पोस्ट मेनोपॉजल विद द ब्लड स्टेन वेजाइनल डिस्चार्ज. यस, hypertension is just a risk factor for endometrial cancer, but itself it is not responsible for blood stain discharge or postmenopausal bleeding. तो ये आपके लिए डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए ऑप्शन दिया है. हिस्टेक्टोमी, yes, it may be required later on, but you have to first investigate the patient. That's why in option B, like pelvic examination always do, because हमें सारी causes exclude करनी है. There could be other cervical causes, vaginal causes, vulval causes. So pelvic examination, then followed by TVS and then followed by pap smear. Now why TVS because here we can see the endometrial thickness. So here the answer is B, immediate pelvic examination, TVS and pap smear. Thank you.